This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate your car in GTA V. First, you'll need to set up your environment. Make sure you have an arena war workshop or a mobile operations center with vehicle storage. You'll also want a cheap car, like a free Elegy RH8, to use as a donor vehicle. Having a friend online can also open up more duplication opportunities for you. This process can help you earn significant in-game currency. For the arena war method, drive the car you wish to duplicate into your workshop. Make a small modification like changing the license plate, then exit the vehicle. Now, get into a different, cheap car and drive it out of the workshop. When you re-enter, your original car should be duplicated, ready for you to sell or store. This method is a reliable way to quickly expand your vehicle collection. Another popular method involves your mobile operations center, or terabyte. Park it outside a full garage. Drive the car you want to duplicate into the MOC or terabyte. Once inside, exit the vehicle and then walk back into your garage. You should find a duplicated version of your car inside, ready for its next steps. This is a fantastic way to duplicate high-value vehicles efficiently. When selling your duplicated cars, it's crucial to be careful. To avoid potential issues, try to sell no more than 1 or 2 vehicles every 2 hours, and perhaps only 7 cars within a 30-hour period. Remember, these glitches can be patched with game updates, so always check for the latest information. Enjoy your new earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.